Ayun oh. Isda oh. Gusto ni Iman to eh, aquarium. Masarap ito, paksiw. Paksiw natin yung mga isdang yan, no? West Acre Mall, Fargo, North Dakota. 360 natin. Yun, si Iman, oh. Dito na kami sa loob, oh. Ayan. West Acre Mall. Iman, let's go. Come on, come on, come on. Come on, Emmanuel. Oh, yan. Food court. Yung kakain si Iman mamaya. Look at the candy. What's that? Candy cane, Iman? Ha? Yeah? Ooh. Ayos. Si Iman naghahanap ng toy shop. Gusto niya yung sikwan eh. Pokemon Charizard.
Let's go and get some stuffy.
Ha? No. Anong gusto mo? Ito oh, si Kwan oh, turtle oh. Oh.
I want Chase.
Ah, ito si Chase oh. Oh.
No, they just did it. I want to make my own Chase.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Pilihan ko ng ice cream si Iman oh. Yan. Ice cream. Ooh. Ano kayang ice cream gusto ni Iman no? Sarap. Iman, let's buy ice cream. Ha? Pandora. Ito. May ng diamond dito. Pandora. Oh. Ganda oh. 170. 200, 105 oh. Wow. Pandora Diamond. Yan. Dito kami nasa loob. Yun, ganda ng upuan oh. Relaxing. Doon na sila. Oh. West Acre Mall. Sabi niya, thank you for your being here. One ice cream, Iman? Coins?
Yeah, where's the coins?
Oh.
Giselle, do you want me to catch it before it goes? Giselle, do you want me to catch it before it goes in?
Why?
So you can do it again?
Go. Or do you want to let Eric just catch it so you can do it again later?
Yeah.
Okay, go. Let it go. Let go. Let go. Go. Let go.
If I miss it, why is it so fast?
That was so cool.
I thought it was gonna go around.
$50 off. Yun ah. Extra 50 off sila. Express. Pangkuan ito. Pang party. Yan. Hanapin natin si Super Iman. Andun si Super Iman. May Victoria's Secret eh, no? Labor Day. Maraming sale ngayon kasi Labor Day. Punta kami dun sa Best Buy. Best Buy Fargo. Oh. Yun. Oh. Hi, Iman. One candy. Forever 21, oh. Oh. Forever 21. Up to 70% off. Ayos to. Let's go. Let's go inside. Forever 21, Iman. No? Best Buy. Let's buy Nintendo Switch. Ah? Nintendo Switch.
Actually, let's buy Nintendo Switch.
Okay, this is the last one, okay? Naman din sa loob, oh. West Acre Mall. Punta kami doon sa Best Buy. Yan. Kagad. Hanapin yung pinakamahal na isda dyan. Oh. Oh.
Ganyan yung mga last time na naman tayo na yung mga ganyan. Ito, may orange kami. Ito.
Ayun, oh. Isda, oh. Gusto ni Iman to, eh. Aquarium. Masarap ito. Paksiw. Paksiw natin yung mga isdang yan, oh. Ayun, doon na sila. Best Buy. Bibili kami ng mga electronics. Buy pa more.
Sabi ni Ella tayo na.
Mahal talagang DJI drone, no? Pero maganda ito. 2,000, oh. Maganda ito. Ito yung Pro, 2,000. Ito naman Mini Pro. Maganda ito. 759. Itong isa, oh. Avata Fly Smart Combo. Yan. 1,000, oh. Ooh, look at that. Ito, malaki itong isa. Ano, computer, oh. 399. Oh, gaming. Laki, oh. Oh. Best Buy Pargo. Ayan, si Iman, oh. Ano?
Shopping.
Oh. Oh, ano na napili kita niya? Ha? Ha? Ito, oh. 369 Toshiba. 65-inch. Mura ito. Oh. Toshiba Smart TV. Ayan, ah. 360 kwan lang. 369 Toshiba. Ito 499 70-inch. One day niyan. Smart TV. Ito, 7529. 75 inch. Ayos.